Hello everyone. Chances are you've come across those short riddles or mystery riddles circulating on social media, right? Well, they've become a massive trend, particularly the crime mystery ones. Take a look at this channel. They've garnered near 80,000 subscribers with just 17 short videos. Surprisingly, these short videos are generating millions of views, and viewers are actively engaging with comments and likes. Better engagement translates to a boost in the algorithm, propelling your videos even further. In this tutorial, we'll utilize AI tools to craft an exceptional video for you to glean insights from. This way, you can delve into creating diverse content within this captivating niche and enjoy the rewards. Let's dive in. First up, let's kick off with step 1, hunting down some intriguing riddles. Let's ask ChatGPT to give us with 10 distinct crime mystery riddles along with their answers. ChatGPT will supply us with fantastic riddles for your use. Here's a valuable tip: enhance the allure of your riddle by incorporating an attention-grabbing line like, "I bet you can't solve this mystery," or "This riddle is one of the hardest riddles of all time." In fact, 97% of Harvard students who participated failed it.
This riddle is impossible to solve, but if you can solve it, then perhaps you work for the FBI. If you can solve this riddle, you are one of the most intelligent people on this planet.
Placing it either at the beginning or end of your riddle can significantly boost engagement on your videos. Increased viewer interaction results in the algorithm promoting your videos to a wider audience, ultimately translating into heightened revenue and a growing subscriber base. Alternatively, you can explore riddles on Google if you prefer. Just remember, if you plan on launching a channel, it's essential to tweak them by altering names, places, or injecting fresh elements. This ensures your riddles remain unique and prevents any potential issues with your channel. Now, on to the next step, crafting background images. To accomplish this task, you can utilize any image generation tool at your disposal. Personally, I'll use the free Leonardo AI. Begin by opening Leonardo AI, then navigate to image generation. Select your desired number of images and dimensions. Opt for a video ratio 9:16. Now, you have the option to either input the prompt directly based on your script, or seek assistance from ChatGPT to formulate prompts for image generation. Copy the riddle and ask ChatGPT to provide prompts for 10 images aligned with the script. Ensure all images feature a dark and red background. Subsequently, copy the prompt and proceed to Leonardo AI, paste it in, and click Generate. Select the outcome that suits your preference, download it, then return to ChatGPT, copy another prompt, and iterate through the process until you've obtained all your images. Now, let's proceed to the subsequent step, Step 3, crafting a voiceover. I recommend utilizing 11 Labs for this task. Open 11 Labs, navigate to the voice section, and input your riddle script. Click the Generate button and save the voiceover file to your computer. Now, you're prepared for the later phase. Step 4 involves editing, and for this task, I'll be using the free CapCut editing software. However, feel free to opt for any other video editing application if CapCut is unavailable to you. Launch the CapCut desktop app and import both the images and voiceover. Start by dragging the voiceover track onto the timeline. Then, precisely arrange each image in sync with the voiceover. Ensure 9:16 ratio for your video. Next, select the text option, opt for auto caption, specify the language, and proceed to create. Following this, navigate to subtle animation and pick the most visually appealing one. Place the captions at the video's center and choose suitable font colors. Implement any required adjustments and ensure the inclusion of diverse transitions between consecutive images. Experiment with a variety of transitions and animations to enhance visual appeal. Additionally, consider incorporating animations by clicking on Combo and selecting from the available options. The final element to incorporate is background music. If you're posting on platforms like Instagram or TikTok, choose a trending song directly from there. For YouTube, utilize music from the YouTube audio library to avoid any copyright complications. Download the chosen music, import it into CapCut, place it on the timeline, and ensure a reduction in volume. Your video is now complete. Click on Export and download it to your computer. Thank you for staying engaged with this video until the end. Rest assured, more content like this awaits you in the future. Kindly activate the notification bell to stay updated on upcoming videos.
A man was found murdered on Sunday morning. His wife immediately called the police. The police questioned the wife and staff, and their alibis were as follows. The wife said she was sleeping, the cook said he was cooking breakfast, the gardener said he was planting seeds, the maid said she was getting the mail, the butler said he was polishing the silverware. Who is the murderer?